Hello everybody, Smilsy back again, and we're breaking a box of 2018 Elite Draft Picks at the National. Now you get 5 autos per box, and since we bought it at the National, we get 3 silver packs. And my buddy Jeff here opening it up, and we'll have a little draft to break after we're done, so let's get started. Jeff, go ahead. Pack 1. Since you want 1 auto per box, per pack. Yeah, let's go for Dick Buckus. Cool. Sean Watson.
Numbered Fournette.
49. It's a good looking card.
And there's our first auto. Troy, try saying that one.
Fumagalli.
Fumagalli.
From the Badgers. Jeff likes Michigan and I like Ohio State, so we don't like this guy.
No.
Cool. Oh, we got chain reaction. James Winston. Insert. Rookie. Dante Pettis. Washington.
There's a good base coming up.
Ooh, Mason Rudolph. Steelers rookie. Oh my gosh, we're getting a good base here. Josh Allen. Should have you do all my breaks. Ronnie Harrison. Draft picks. And Andre Key. The Tigers. Anthony Miller.
Oh, we got a good one. Another good base coming up.
Oh, good base coming up. Ronald Jones the second.
Good base is better than...
Wow. Barkley base. It's a good pack.
It was one of those ugly Buckeye ones.
All right. Sam Hubbard. I feel like I'm going to get this card.
Even if it's the last one taken.
And TJ Clark. All right. Pack 2. Khalil Mack. I love his face mask. It's the bomb. Ted Hendricks.
Ed Stork.
Adam Thielen, number to 49, die cut. We have a hit here. The Idaho Vandals, Matt Linhan, number to 49, die cut.
Another nice.
Oh, nice.
That's
Josh Rosen, primary colors. Don't know if that's numbered or not. Nope, not numbered. Connor Williams, rookie. There's that Wisconsin guy again. Hurst. Lazard. Andre Henderson. James Washington. Baker Mayfield. We'll have to fight over that one. And Penn State. And tight end. Torch the Buckeyes. Alright, pack 3.
Some decent base so far.
Yeah.
Haven't been outstanding, but
at least that one was numbered.
Right.
You get one of the big guys serial numbered.
And Jeremy Shockey.
You.
Andrew Luck. Is that numbered? Yep, numbered to...
Ooh, nice.
To 99? Number to 99, Bradley Chubb.
Bradley Chubb for the Broncos. Broncos got a steal on him.
Hit.
Harrison Phillips. Stanford. Definitely got his last name written in there. Number to 99, another numbered card. Oh, nice. Elite Series, Barkley. John Kelly, Tennessee. Hines. They got a theme here with that guy today. Kristen Kirk. Nice. Josh Rosen. Anthony Miller. Royce Freeman for the Ducks. Rondé Barnett. Dante Peters.
And with a couple quarterbacks.
Mason Rudolph. So that's a different pose.
Right.
Yeah. Ooh, and Josh Allen. Good way to end it, man. You're pulling some good base.
Right.
Let's get a good hit now.
Right.
One big hit. 2 big hits. Got Charles White.
Got color.
Mac Brown.
Some color.
Number to 25. Oh man, if we were a Wisconsin fan, this would be an awesome box. Number 17 out of 25. Good looking die cut. Ooh, got another quarterback auto from Memphis. Not bad. Riley Ferguson.
That's nice.
And that's number 25.
Nice.
Wow. Very cool. That's our 3rd serial numbered autograph. Charles White. Passing the torch. George Rogers. James rookie. Another Barkley rookie. Volk, Mark Andrews, James Washington, Rodney Harrison, Key, Connor Williams, and of course Troy again. We got a PC and Hurst. Alright, last pack, and then we go to the silver packs. New silver packs. Let's get one more numbered auto at least.
Mitchell Trubisky.
There you go.
Mahomes. That's the hit.
Draft picks. Duke. Heading for. I don't know him. Base rookie. Auto.
College Ties.
College Ties. Scarborough and Ridley. Landry. Wadley. Way. Michael Gallup. Cobbs Jr. Lazard. Look what we said. This is not the best pack for last year. Gobert. John Kelly. See, I bragged too much. Hines. And Kirk. Alright, we're ready for the silver packs. You want to start the first one? I'll do the middle one. I'll let you do this.
Nice and flat. Let's see. Maybe we got an auto.
Ooh, I like that.
Nice.
I like the guy in the back.
Messi.
And Curry. Base pack. There you go. Alright. Come on. Todd Gurley. You got some kind of foil here. LeBron James, numbered at 99. Not bad.
It's not horrible.
Not horrible at all. Alright, last pack. Last pack mojo.
Bryce Harper.
And Garoppolo.
Base.
No big hit, but he got the LeBron. So that's it for this break of 2018 Elite Draft Picks, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.